are shipping today Nissan Civilian headlamp, side lamp, and a tail light. So the Navigationdisk, as you know, we are unpacking. We are shipping these things to Bahamas. So brand new headlamp, Nissan Civilian 2014 to 20 same model. It's a brand logo over there. As you can see, it's a brand new and intake. So everything is there. It's a glass covered headlight. It's the same one. You have the thing. So the headlight is here. We are shipping both one left and right to Bahamas dealer. Okay. And everything is there in the box. And there is a side light. The side light over here. This one, space. Side light is the right one, left one is here. Brand new and intake. Never been used. And space. Now the interesting part of the brand new. Tail light. It's very big, brand new, of course. Everything is there. It's plug and play, left and right. So all together we are shipping today to Bahamas.